guys. Mr. Mathsclinic again. I'm back, guys. As you can see me. So I'm just wanna explain this question paper as well as that Creighton will be writing tomorrow. Therefore, we can see the question number one, guys. Here is our statement. Then it says the x element. We're given the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4. So they say write down a value of x such that k equals the square root of 9 divided by 4 minus x is undefined. So what we know about the undefined, we know that every time undefined, when you press on your calculator, the moment they are saying math error, which means you must know that this is undefined. So I decided to take this 4 because I know 4 minus 4 is going to give me 0. And also I know that 9 divided by 0, which means it is going to say undefined. Okay, this is what I did, guys. Therefore, our answer for 1.1, which is going to be 4. 1.2, rational number. What is a rational number? A rational number, it can be written as a fraction. It can also be written as a whole number or as a natural number, not a whole number. So it can also be integers, guys. Okay, but now let us try to check about what we have here, guys. So we have those numbers here. Therefore, we need to choose the number that we know. When we substitute in place of x, we are going to get the natural number or a fraction. Okay, so example, if I take 3, 4 minus 3 is going to give you 1. Okay, so 9 divided by 1 will give you 9. Therefore, square root of 9 is 3. So it means in this 1.2, the answer is going to be 3. 1.3, they are saying irrational. Irrational, this is the number that occurring, which means the number that cannot be written as a fraction, as a whole number, as a natural number. But this is the number that occurring. It has a lot of decimal. Okay, so now we can also try to check from this question. If I take this 3, therefore not 3, if I take this 1, which is 4 minus 1, is going to give you 3. Therefore, 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. Therefore, square root of 3, which means it's going to give you a lot of numbers. This is what we call what? Irrational. Irrational cannot be written as a fraction. So this is what we have to know, guys. Then let us move to the second question, question number 2. First sheet. Here in question number 2, that's 2.1. Our statement, it says we must simplify. We must simplify the following completely. We must simplify the following completely. So what I said about simplifying, remember grade 10, to make math easy to you. Make sure that you understand the statement. Here the statement, it says we must simplify. Okay, so now what we have to simplify, every time when we simplify, we know that we are going to have the like terms. We're going to have the like terms, guys. And remember, we only do what? We only simplify the like terms. If they are not the like terms, meaning the expression will remain the same. And we know that every time again, sometimes we might have a multiplication. And you must know the loss of exponent as you're simplifying. We know when we multiply the same base, we add the exponents. This is very important criteria in order to do what? To prevail or to excel in maths. So the first question that we have, this is 2b, open bracket, b minus 5c. Then we have squared outside. Therefore, what does this squared means to you guys? It means if I have a squared outside, it means like I must expand this thing, and it's the same as we are saying a multiplied by a, or even though we can put it in bracket, we are saying a multiplied by a. So because of here I have the square outside, it means these two will remain the same. Therefore, I'm going to open the two brackets, and remember the sign will never change, which means going to be b minus 5c, and also b minus 5c. After doing this method now, we simplify the brackets. Remember, we have the rule that says BODMAS. BODMAS, which means we must first deal with the bracket first, guys. So as we are dealing with the bracket, we are going to take this b multiplied by b. As we multiply b multiplied by b, remember this is the positive. Therefore, we are going to have b squared. Why b squared? Because the laws of exponents, they are saying when we multiply the same base, as we multiply the same base, we need to add the exponent. So since when we have those two b's, which means you must have that you have the invisible one. This b, it has the invisible one here, and also this one has the invisible one. So as well we add 1 plus 1, we're going to get 2. Therefore, we say also b multiplied by negative 5c. So it's gonna be negative 5 bc. Then we come this side, we say negative 5 c multiplied by b is going to be negative 5 bc. The last one, negative 5c multiplied by negative 5c. Negative multiplied by negative, remember grade 10, is positive 25. Now we have the common one, which means like we have the like terms. So that means c multiplied by c is going to give us c squared, close brackets. And remember what did I say before we start, guys? As I said, as you simplify, you are going to have the like terms. So the like terms on this equation, meaning we are going to have 5 bc and 5 bc. Why? Because they have the same variable and also the same exponent. That means now this question, as we simplify, will give us negative 10 bc plus 25 c squared. Now you have to take this number and multiply the brackets, which is it is 2 multiplied by b squared, meaning it's going to be 2b to the power of 3, and 2b multiplied by negative 10 is negative 20 b squared c. The last one, negative 2 multiplied by 25 will give us 50 b c squared. So this is how we are going to end up, guys. Then the second question, 2.1.2. And this one, let me check what we have in this one lesson. In this one we have 3 to the power of x minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x and minus 1 all divided by 3 to the power of x plus 2, plus in between here we have 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x plus 1. So what we need to do about this one, guys, in this question we need to make sure that we spell it out, we separate the exponent. As we separate the exponent, meaning this 3 will remain as 3 to the power of x minus 2. But this side what we have x minus 1, meaning the first 3 is going to carry x, the second 3 will carry negative 1, divided by 3 that will carry x, then the second one will carry 2, plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x and multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. So after having this expression, this step, guys, what can we see here? We can see on top we have something that we call a common factor. Why? Because this is the same base and also the same exponent, meaning we're going to take out these 3 to the power of x in brackets. Therefore you say this 3 goes into 3 to the power of x, meaning once minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of negative 1, divided by 3 to the power of x, in brackets 3 to the power of 2, plus 2 multiplied by 3. Therefore now this 3 to the power of x will cancel the other 3. What will happen now? We are going to have 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 all over 3, divided by 9 plus 6. From there now we can simplify the top one. The top one, which means as we simplify, guys, what we know so far, we know that is going to be 1 minus, therefore here we're going to have, let me see, it's going to be 2 divided by 3 divided by 15. So after doing this method, what will happen, guys, We know that as we simplify the fraction, we have to have LCD. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 1 is going to be 3. Therefore, minus 2, which is going to give us 1 divided by 3 divided by 15. Then your answer will end up being 1 divided by 3. Therefore, multiply by 15 divided by 3. So our answer is going to be what? Meaning our answer is going to be, so we multiply by 1 this side. Our answer is going to be 5, you guys. So this is how we simplify this question. This is how we simplify this question, question